What's up you guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Oscar and in today's video I want to go over 7 ways to make more money in 2020. And with the holiday season coming up soon, I'm sure many of you will find this helpful. So with that said, let's get right into the video. So I'm gonna let you guys in on a little secret. The way I make most of my money and what I spend most of my time on is doing online surveys. Now I know how it sounds, but just hear me out guys. The payout on some of these websites range from anywhere between a fraction of a penny to a few cents per survey, which is incredible. So if each survey takes you about 2 minutes to complete, then if you're lucky, you can make about $1 an hour. And if you're really lucky, you could even get a virus that tracks your every move, which come on, who wouldn't love that? Alright, so that was obviously a joke, but in actuality, the best way in my opinion to make more money is to either ask for a raise, pursue a higher position in the company you're in, or just simply go work for a competitor who may be willing to pay you more. Now, some companies may be willing to give you a raise with no added responsibility, but that's unlikely to happen. Most of the time, they want you to take on more responsibility in exchange for a higher wage, and if you're okay with that, then make sure that the management team knows that. And if that doesn't work, but you really want a higher paying job, then it might be time to check out the competition and see what they would be willing to offer. You should preferably switch companies within the same industry because at least then your experience would transfer over and employers will be willing to pay you more because they won't have to train you as much compared to someone else who has no experience. Doing this one step back in January led to me earning almost double what I was already earning at my other job for no extra work. I just simply went from one company to another. Now I can't guarantee you'll be making double, but there are good odds that you'll be making more money than you are right now. Another thing I would advise people to do is to buy things at Dollar Tree and resell them online. I do this here and there, not a whole lot, but you can easily earn an extra $50 to $100 a month by just doing this one thing on the side with a bit of research. So number 4 is along the lines of the previous one, and that is to, of course, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm if you have not done that already. Alright, so with that out of the way, the real tip number 4 is to flip items that you know or are willing to learn about. This could include sneakers if you're a sneakerhead, flipping iPhones, or other collectibles. Like I know Pokemon cards had a huge surge in popularity recently when Logan Paul bought $200,000 worth just a few weeks ago. Now, if you've taken automotive in high school or you know how to do minor repairs and maintenance on cars, then you could probably charge friends or family to have you do it rather than having to take it into a dealership or mechanic. Stuff like oil changes, changing out their headlights and stuff like that shouldn't take too much for you to do so long as you know what you're doing. So odds are that many of you watching this have some sort of skill, whether it's drawing, music, writing, or just about anything else. If you're good at something, then there is probably someone out there who would be willing to pay you to have you do it for them. For instance, my girlfriend got me this card for my birthday, and she had one of her friends who's good at drawing draw this on the front, and it's really good. I personally would have paid like 15 bucks to have someone draw this for me. So if you're good at editing or Photoshop or just about anything else, then you can do freelance work on sites like Fiverr, or you could do it for friends and family if they need help with something you're good at, just to get the ball rolling. Now, some people would be happy to pay you to do the job for them, but some would be willing to pay you more just to teach them how to do it. For instance, if you're good at magic, someone could hire you to perform magic tricks at a kid's birthday party, and if that kid really likes it and wants to learn how to do it for himself, then you could offer his parents to teach him and name your price. There will always be people who want to learn a new skill, whether it's in person or online, and they're going to have to learn from someone, so it might as well be you. And finally, my most favorite way of making more money, because it really doesn't take a whole lot of work aside from some research, is to look for sign-up bonuses or referrals for services you are going to use anyways. I was looking to set up a new checking account with Chase, and I noticed that I could get a $200 bonus for just setting up direct deposit. So that's exactly what I did. This can also include things like credit card sign-up bonuses or any other company that will pay you for referring someone new to their services, like Webull, who will be giving you 2 free stocks whenever you deposit $100 or more onto their platform, valued anywhere between $8 to $1,600 each using the link in the description below. So if you're going to be using a particular service anyways, I don't see why you wouldn't just do a couple minutes of research online to see if you could get some sort of bonus, because you would literally just be passing up free money. But anyways guys, that wraps it up for this week's video. If you found any of this information helpful, go ahead and drop a like down on the video and subscribe to the channel for a brand new video every Monday. And if you would like to support me and get 2 free stocks while you're at it, go ahead and sign up for Webull using the link in the description below. And with that said, thank you all for watching, and I will see you all next week with another video.